Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to SW News English. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has been granted bail by a special court in Bangalore today. This was in connection with a defamation case filed by the BJP's Karnataka unit. The BJP had filed this case for issuing defamatory advertisements in the mainstream newspapers. As per PTI report, the advertisement of Congress ahead of the assembly polls last year accused then BJP government in Karnataka of indulging in large-scale corruption during its 2019-2023 rule. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar were also granted bail after they appeared before the court on June 1st in connection with the defamation case. Plus, BJP Karnataka had sought issuance of a non-bailable warrant against Rahul Gandhi for non-appearance. Congress leaders had argued that Rahul Gandhi was not linked to the publication of the advertisement. Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar had said that Rahul Gandhi's name has been included to get publicity. Today, Rahul Gandhi had appeared before the special court after the court had directed him to appear before the court on June 7th without fail. In the complaint, BJP had alleged that Congress had defamed the BJP by claiming that BJP leadership had fixed prices for various postings in the state like rupees 2,500 crore for CM's post and rupees 500 crore for a minister's post, leading to corruption in the governance. BJP in their complaint had alleged that Congress had also placed advertisement in the newspapers on May 5, 2023, which alleged that commissions to tune 75% in COVID kit tender deals, 40% for PWD tender, 30% for grants to religious organizations. Well, there are other defamation cases filed against Rahul Gandhi too. Last month, a court in Pune had summoned Rahul Gandhi in connection with a defamation case filed over his remark on Savarkar. The Pune court summoned Rahul Gandhi on August 14, whereas yesterday an MP-MLA court postponed the hearing in another defamation case. This was over a 2018 defamation case over Rahul Gandhi's remarks on Amit Shah. The case was filed by a BJP leader. Rahul Gandhi had appeared before the court in this defamation case in February of this year, where he was granted bail. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.